In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain with Hostinger Hosting, guiding you step by step through the process. Let's get started by navigating to your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, locate the hosting account you want to use, and then click on the Manage button. This action will take you to a new page where you'll have a suite of options to configure your website. Next, find the website option on the menu and click on it. This page is where you'll manage different website settings, including adding new websites. Your next step is to locate and click on Add Website. A new window will appear, presenting you with a couple of options. We want to select Other. This option indicates that we're setting up a website with a domain that isn't registered with Hostinger. After selecting Other, you'll see the option to skip. Go ahead and click on this to proceed quickly to the next step. Now we're going to use an existing domain, which is why you'll choose Use Existing Domain. You'll be prompted to enter your domain name in the given field, type in your domain name, and ensure there are no typos. Switch over to your GoDaddy account where your domain is registered. Once logged in, find your domain from the list provided and copy it. Return to the Hostinger tab and paste your copied domain in the field provided, then hit Continue. Next, you'll need to change your name servers to point towards Hostinger. To do this, make a note of or copy the name servers provided by Hostinger. Then navigate back to your GoDaddy account and head over to the DNS management section by clicking on DNS. Scroll down until you reach the name servers section and click on Change. This action allows you to edit the current name server settings. You will see an option labeled Custom, and here you'll remove any default name servers present and paste the Hostinger name servers you copied earlier. Once you've pasted the first name server, copy the second one and repeat the process. Be thorough while pasting, as any errors can prevent your domain from correctly pointing to Hostinger. Finally, after ensuring that both name servers are accurately entered, click the Continue button to save these changes. It might take a few minutes for the changes to propagate completely, but after that, your domain should be successfully connected to your Hostinger hosting account. This process, while initially seeming complex, will become more intuitive as you familiarize yourself with the Hostinger and GoDaddy interfaces. It's important to be patient during propagation to ensure successful domain connection. I hope this guide has helped clarify the process, making it easy to get your website up and running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below.